All right, Jason here. Vintage Williams Mentholated. I don't know if that means that it was originally 19 cents and then on sale for 18 cents. No idea. But I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you with it. Unboxing. Look at this. Old advertisement for after every shave, new ice blue aqua velva. That's cool. The J.B. Williams Co. Made in the USA. And I'm going to put it in an Old Spice mug, which kind of doesn't fit really loose in there, but I think once I start lathering, the soap starts melting down in there, it'll stick to the cup just fine. But anyway, I'll probably just wet it a little bit, put a drop or two of water on it, soften it up, then start lathering and go to town. Alright, so put a few drops of water on it, so let it soften it up a little bit. Probably didn't need it, but what's it gonna hurt? A brush soaking. Going to use the Gillette Travel Tech for the shave, and this Vija blade. Probably garbage, who knows. Let's lather this and see what happens. Shake out some of the water. I'll probably do about that much. Maybe a little more, because it's wet. And then just, you can hear the soap moving around in there, because it hasn't stuck to the cup yet. Once again, it's Vintage Williams Mentholated soap. There's not real menthol, not a whole lot of menthol scent coming through. It's probably just expired from the age, the menthol scent just went away. But you can see that it's wanting to build a good lather already. I don't know how much soap I'm actually getting on the brush with it moving in the cup, but I think I'm getting enough. Let's see what happens. It's a little airy, probably a little too wet, but I'll keep building and maybe I could add more soap or just keep building it up, see what happens. Again, I'm always impressed with vintage soaps, the way they just will lather without any problems after 100 years, 50 years, whatever. I'm getting soap everywhere. Nah, this ain't bad. Ain't that bad of a lather. I'm gonna use it and see what happens. Ain't bad. You see that? Let's see. Well, I'm gonna use it and, like I said, use it and see what happens. Here we go. Alright. First pass done. As I expected, the Vija, whatever. That blade sucked. So I swapped it out for a Super Rhodium, Iridium, I don't know what it's called. But anyway, I'm gonna lather up. See how much I got left for the second pass. I rinse my face off after the first pass, and I normally just leave it wet and re-lather, but since this was kind of a wet lather to begin with, I just towel dried my face. I'm just gonna lather with this soap on a dry face and see what happens. bad. Second pass ought to be pretty darn good. Running all down the brush. I don't normally do this because I don't. Okay, I've done it in a lot of my videos actually. But I normally don't like big gobs of lather on my face. But why not? It smells like soap. There's no menthol feel or anything left in this. Maybe after I use it a few times there will be. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna start the next shave. Be right back. All done. Looks pretty good. I need to trim my mustache a little bit. I'm gonna leave it just like that with the lather still in there. I'm not gonna rinse it off. So hopefully that the soap will stick to the cup next time. Travel Tech, I would not recommend this for daily use. It cramps my hand up a little bit. That's about how I hold it. Fingers get tired. Super whatever, iridium, however you want to say it. Excellent blade. Neutrogena Men Triple Protect Face Lotion with sunscreen. I could probably use the sunscreen. It's pretty good. Use that. Palette and brush, excellent. But overall, vintage Williams Mentholated shave soap. No scent of menthol at all. Face does not feel cool like menthol normally feels, which is to be expected from an old soap. It's probably just dissipated over the years, just evaporated or wherever it goes. But anyway, it was an excellent shave. I'll use it again, and it's just a regular old vintage soap. Vintage Williams to me. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Adios.